Welcome to our series on the Elliott wave principle, a powerful way to decode market movements. Today we're exploring a unique pattern called the diagonal. So, what is a diagonal? In the Elliott wave framework, it's a five-wave pattern that looks similar to an impulse wave, but has a distinct slanted shape. Diagonals signal either the start or the end of a larger trend, often appearing in moments of market exhaustion or strong momentum. Developed by Ralph Nelson Elliott, the Elliott wave principle organizes price action into repetitive wave patterns. Diagonals come in two types: leading diagonals, which kick off a new trend, and ending diagonals, which cap off a larger move. Both are labeled with 5 waves: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Unlike a standard impulse wave, each wave in an ending diagonal is a corrective pattern. Each wave subdivides into 3 waves. And in a leading diagonal, each wave can be a corrective pattern, or waves 1, 3, and 5 subdivide into 5 waves, and waves 2 and 4 subdivide into 3 waves, giving it a choppy, overlapping look. In an uptrend diagonal, wave 1 moves upward, wave 2 pulls back, wave 3 surges higher, wave 4 dips but overlaps slightly with wave 1's territory, and wave 5 makes a final push. The result? A wedge-like shape that slopes against or with the trend. Key rules for diagonals. Wave 4 overlaps wave 1's price range. This overlap is a hallmark that sets diagonals apart from impulse waves. Also, diagonals tend to appear in specific spots, like wave 1 or wave 5 of an impulse, or wave A or C of a correction. Why do diagonals matter? They signal critical turning points or trend continuations, helping traders anticipate reversals or new moves. Spotting a diagonal can give you an edge in timing your trades. That's the basics of a diagonal. Keep studying those charts and happy trading.